Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're ready. Begin by powering up and preparing the lens. Make sure the battery is above 20% and wipe the lens clean so images stay sharp. Once done, open Settings to confirm camera and storage permissions and update the Color OS camera app if prompted. Next, launch the camera app, tap modes, and pick photo or night depending on light. Also enable the grid. This helps you line up 16:9 and rule of thirds compositions for better framing. Now refine how the phone captures scenes. You want to pick a resolution. 50 MP gives detail, while 12 MP combines pixels for cleaner low-light images. Choose based on need and storage. Turn HDR to auto to retain highlights and shadows in contrasty scenes. If you need control, switch to Pro mode, then adjust ISO, shutter speed, and white balance. This changes exposure and color tone. Tap and hold to lock focus, and once locked, you can recompose without losing sharpness. Finish strong by stabilizing the phone. Use a small tripod or steady your hands. This reduces blur during low light or long exposures. Compose, tap to focus, and press shutter. For video, toggle EIS to smooth movement. After capture, inspect photos in gallery and apply quick edits like cropping, exposure adjustment, or noise reduction to polish the image. If the camera app crashes or output is poor, clear the camera cache, reboot the phone, and if necessary, test in safe mode to isolate third-party interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.